Hi, this video will cover how to record bonuses when you know the amount and they are expected. Nor company offers an annual bonus to employees if the employees meet certain net income goals. Prepare the journal entry to record the $18,000 bonus owed to its workers to be shared equally at the calendar year. So it is expected, and we're talking about $18,000. So we are going to debit the full amount, $18,000, and this will be part of our bonuses payable. Let's see, bonus payable will be the credit, and then employee bonus expense will be the debit. We'll go ahead and check my work. And that's all you have to do. And let's go ahead and do the next one. The next one relates to employees as well. What we're looking at are vacation. So Chavez salaried employees earn 4 weeks of vacation per year. It pays $639,600 in total to employees over the 52 weeks. But as employees only work 48 weeks, so that 4-week vacation the salaried employees receive. This means Chavez's total weekly expense is $13,325, which is based on the amount of weeks that were worked. So instead of the $12,300 that they would be paid over the 52 weeks. So the way we're going to do our entry, we'll do it down here. We'll record the debit, which will be the vacation benefit expense. And then we'll do the vacation benefits payable will be the credit. Now the dollar amounts will be based on the excess. So we'll have to take the difference between the 48-week amount and the 52-week amount. So $13,325 minus the $12,300. So I'm going to get my calculator. 1, 3, 3, 2, 5. And I'm going to subtract the $12,300 for the weekly payroll. It's a difference of $1,025. So that'll be the amount of the debit, 1025, and that will be the amount of the credit. And check our work. And that would be the accrual. So when we actually pay for their vacation, we'll make sure that it's coming out of the vacation benefits payable. And let's go ahead and do the next one. So on September 11th, we have Home Store sells a mower for $470 with a 1-year warranty that covers parts. Warranty expense is estimated to be 12% of sales. On July 24th, the following year, the mower is brought in for repairs under the warranty, requiring $33 in materials taken from the repairs part inventory. So we want to prepare the journal entry to record the sale. So we're going to use a sales price of $470, and I'm not sure if I'm using perpetual or periodic. I don't see any cost of the inventory, but let's go ahead and record the sale. And again, the sale is done either cash or accounts receivable. Let's see. I'm going to assume it was cash. It could have been accounts receivable, but it doesn't really specify, so I'm just going to put down cash. And $470 for the debit, and our debits must equal our credits. So the actual sale is going to be credited, and that'll be the entry to record the mower. And we'll record. And we'll move on to part 2. Record on the same date. We're going to estimate the warranty for the future. So that we're going to record the expense. And then we will do our estimated warranty liability. And now how do we get our number? It'll be 12% of the 470. So we'll take the 470. Okay, it's not punching it right. So 470 times 0.12. So 12% is $56.40. So that'll be the amount of our debit to warranty expense. And we will credit it 56 for 40 cents, 0.4, and we'll record that. And then what we'll do is for item 3, it asks a year later, someone brings it in, and we need some of this $33 in our parts. So we're going to use up some of that warranty liability. So we're going to go to the estimated warranty liability and debit that for the $33. And then we're going to remove it from the parts inventory, which is an asset. And we'll credit that for the amount of reduction. And we are done. Check my work. And you have your 3 entries here. And again, if you prefer watching these videos, you do have the hint. I did select that option, but make sure that you're working through each one of these steps, and I highly recommend you use a piece of paper so that you can use that as part of the learning process. Any questions for these 3 questions, please post in Google Hangout or the forum for Chapter 9. And remember, today is a great day to learn accounting.